Do you know what a singular matrix is? This question is on that particular meter. The matrix, this one, x plus 2, 6, 4x is singular. Find the possible values of x. How do we find the possible values of x? A singular matrix is a matrix that has determinant 0. 0 is the determinant of that particular matrix. So the determinant of this matrix should be equal to 0. So determinant is equal to 0. How do we find the determinant? This times this, x times x plus 2 minus this times this minus 4 times 6 should be equal to 0 since it is a singular matrix. So we want to find the possible values of x. So x times x, we get x squared. X times plus 2 plus 2x minus 4 times x minus 24 is equal to 0. So we want to solve that equation. We want two numbers that if we multiply them, we get negative 24x squared. And if we add them, we get positive 2x. These numbers are plus 6x and minus 4x. Right? The product should be negative 24x squared. And the sum should be plus 2x. So we substitute those two numbers for this. So x squared plus 6x minus 4x minus 24 should be equal to 0, right? So now we factorize by grouping, right? Common factor x. X into x squared is x. X into plus 6x is plus 6. Then common factor for this part is negative 4. Negative 4 into negative 4x is x. Negative 4 into negative 24 is plus 6 is equal to 0. Right? So we are now solving for x. We now have a common factor there, x plus 6. Into this, these two cancel each other. We now have x. These two cancel each other, minus 4 is equal to 0. So either x plus 6 is equal to 0. Why? If we have two numbers multiplying each other and the product is